Listen and welcome to JSA TV. I am Jamie Scotto Kataya, CEO of Jamie Scotto and Associates, and on behalf of my team here at JSA, welcome to the 26th issue of Telecom News and Trends, or TNT. That's your monthly industry wrap-up of the latest news and happenings right here in our community. First, we'd like to thank this month's TNT sponsor and our newest client, RimHub. RimHub is a boutique managed service provider offering strategic sourcing solutions to the communications companies worldwide. Check out more on rimhub.com. So let's go ahead and kick off our events section of TNT here. As September draws to a close, we want to make sure we thank those who joined us in Atlanta for Telecom One-on-One. That's our event where we match buyers with sellers in one-on-one speed dating type meetings. And that's for telecom and enterprise professionals right there in the Atlanta area. So thank you to our sponsors, including Allied Fiber, Colo ATL, Optelian, Global Vision, Network Utility Force, Sunices, and Telex. And also we'd like to thank our co-located event hosts, that is ATP, FiberLight, Fogo Data Centers, and Optelian. It was a wonderful day of successful networking, so thank you all. And talking events, thank you to those who came out for our TW Telecom and IO Summer Send-Off Cocktail Reception that happened right last week, September 19th, at the downtown New York City area. The evening was exceptional, including casual networking, fabulous ambiance, and lots of videos and more videos. So stay tuned right here for who we spoke to while hanging out with TW Telecom on the rooftop balcony at the W Downtown Hotel. The videos will be included in our next TNT. Also, check out the photo slideshow that we have available for you right here this month. Go ahead and click on that link below. Also, just a quick note, we are finalizing our plans for JSA events coming up 2013, which includes the big reveal. Where did our community choose for the next city to host Telecom Exchange? So more details coming shortly. Go ahead and keep it right here on TNT. And we wanted to also thank our community for helping us as we gave back to those less fortunate. JSA partnered with a charity called Develop Africa to provide school supplies for children in Africa. So what happened? Last month we asked you to clean out your corporate closets and find any slightly used, unused promotional items that may be a bit outdated, and go ahead and send them those shirts, those hats, those notebooks, those pens. Go ahead and send them to our shipping facility in New Jersey, and we would then ship them over to Africa to those school kids who are in need. We asked you, and you responded with generosity. So thank you. Thank you particularly to those customers, those clients, those community members who participated, including Colo ATL, Inteliquent, Optelian, Telex, and Telecom Italia Sparkle. It proves that together we can make a difference. And we will be extending this campaign throughout the upcoming holiday season, this season of giving. So if you wanted to, but that shipping deadline we provided kind of crept up on you, no worries. We will be doing another shipment to Africa in late December. So more information coming out, and you can email events@jamiescotto.com for more there as well. Our own Lauren Sauer, meantime, is actually in Africa as we speak, and she will be sharing her pictures, sharing her videos and stories with us on our blog, TNN. So go ahead and keep reading. Now here's a look at our top headlines. Talking about Africa, Inteliquent announces a strategic alliance with Fox Telecom, a leading independent telecom operator, which provides a Inteliquent's EtherCloud solution, including voice and data services, to South Africa. This news also comes with Inteliquent's announcement of its establishment of its Turkish subsidiary. So we're talking Turkey here, as well as its strategic alliance with Turkey's innovative operator, Turkcell Super Online. The company was also selected, Inteliquent, by TMC as a recipient of the 2011 Communication Solutions Product of the Year Award, and that was awarded for Inteliquent's Common Point product. So congratulations, Intelliquent and check out our job postings because Intelliquent is looking for channel sales and managers both here and abroad. Over to Hibernia Atlantic, they have certainly been hitting the headlines as well. The company is now an Amazon Web Services, AWS, technology partner, which enhances availability of Hibernia's dedicated network connections to AWS customers. Hibernia also announced its Ethernet services are now available in I.O., New Jersey. That's, as you know, I.O. right there in Edison, New Jersey is the largest modular data center for commercial use in the world. So all those existing and prospective I.O. customers can now access Hibernia's network. Also, the video transport division of Hibernia Atlantic, called Hibernia Media, had some huge news. The company just announced it has purchased TeliaSonera's international carrier Media Connect business over in Europe and US. Also, while at IBC, the International Broadcasting Convention, Hibernia Media announced its intentions to combine assets and operations with Aldea Solutions Incorporated. So that means that this merger will position the combined company as a powerful global provider of video transport with the largest 100% QoS media service DTN network in the world. So congratulations, Hibernia Media. And moving now over to Hibernia's Global Financial Network, GFN, the CME Group, the world's leading and most diverse derivatives marketplace, is a new point of presence on the GFN network. So congratulations, GFN. Heading over to Zayo's news now. Zayo announced it will provide fiber connectivity into Safehosts, and that's a high-powered, energy-efficient London data center. This news comes on the heel of Zayo announcing the completion of the network integration between Zayo and AboveNet. So we know that acquisition went through. Now the networks have integrated successfully, so congratulations there. Also, the news came out that Zayo has completed the acquisition of Fibergate. That's that Washington, D.C. metro area provider of dark fiber services. So lots of growth there. Zayo also upgraded its fiber route from Spokane to Portland. It's an already existing low latency and unique Zayo route, but now, due to the rising demand in that area, the route between Spokane and Portland has more capacity. Zayo also announces the expansion of its product offerings through its agent sales channel. Now you can also get colocation and interconnection services by zColo, its carrier-neutral colo and interconnect business. Over to ViaWest, another company that's based over in Denver. We have news that a fast-growing software as a service provider, Biometric Signature ID, or BSI, is using ViaWest's Connected Cloud platform as part of BSI's disaster recovery strategy. And another customer win for ViaWest. ViaWest announced its new cloud customer, SimpIT. That's a social peering, collaboration, and referral site for the information technology sector. We should also note that ViaWest has recently celebrated its first anniversary of its 85,000 square foot facility in the Dallas area. ViaWest acknowledges Dallas is a hot spot for growth, as we know. ViaWest has seen a rise in customer and growing demand for its portfolio of data management services. GCS, Global Convergence Solutions, announces that iBasis, a carrier of international voice traffic and a leader in VoIP, we all know iBasis, well, iBasis has selected GCS's dynamic routing and rating management solution. So congratulations, GCS. Turning over now to the East Coast, shall we say, Telehouse's New York International Internet Exchange, or NYIEX, is now officially activated over at CoreSite's data center at 32 Avenue of the Americas. That's, of course, in New York City. Talking New York, Hunter Newby, CEO of Allied Fiber, has written an article responding to President Obama's executive order this past June. The president said, "We can't wait." And Hunter takes a look at this precise language and how it relates to America's need for dark fiber infrastructure. Other Allied Fiber news: Conterra Broadband Services, a national provider of high-capacity wide-area network services specializing in underserved areas of the U.S., has joined Allied Fiber's dark fiber community, so welcome Conterra. Another company to watch, Network Utility Force. It's a company that's addressing infrastructure problems as well. They are designing, deploying, and managing large networks around the world using high-speed DWDM, Wi-Fi, MPLS, and IPv6. I should note that I sat down with the company's CEO for a JSA TV interview while in Atlanta, and we will have that video ready for the next TNT, so stay tuned. And speaking of Atlanta, Georgia-based optical networking specialist Optelian announces that Myanmar Post and Telegraph has selected the company's LightGain DWDM system for its cellular backhaul and backbone network. We talk more about this news in an upcoming JSA TV with Optelian's Brian Savory. So another teaser, keep it here on for about to be released video. And we started with RimHub. We should end with RimHub. We will let's take a look at RimHub's news. The company partners with Highlight, a frontrunner in social media marketing applications, lead generations, and conversions. The reason is they can provide RimHub customers with a new marketing service. So congratulations, RimHub and Highlight. Talking social media, please connect with our clients on LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube for daily news and video feeds. And make sure you connect with our partners such as Global Vision, The Were, ATP, and Ovum, all featured in our newsletter. There's some cool content via TNT available from our partners, so thank you, partners. Notably, too, you are invited to attend ATP's Award Gala that's taking place November 13th in Atlanta. This is a wonderful networking opportunity. You can tell just by taking a look at its list of nominees, which just came out, so go ahead and click on TNT for that list. JSA can hook you up with a table or branding, so go ahead and email events@jamiescotto.com for more there. And keep reading TNN, that's Telecom News Now, our blog that attracts over 20,000 hits a month. We are rolling out a new blog series called On the Road with TNN, where our JSAers report back from events and happenings going around in our industry, such as Light Towers Golf Tournament and Telecom Italia Sparkle's new office unveiling. So keep reading there for more. And as always, if you'd like your news to be featured in our next issue of TNT or in a direct format on JSA TV, well, go ahead and email us, pr@jamiescotto.com. Until then, happy networking.